So here we have a hanging mass which is 6.82 grams. 6.82 grams is this thing. Over here we have a mass that is 210.0 grams. 210.0. And what we're going to do, the legs of this apparatus are exactly 1 meter apart. Over here we have a block. This isn't a great ruler, but do what you can with that. Sorry, my bad. Hopefully you can get the height of that block. From that information, you should be able to predict a value of acceleration using the masses and the angle. The angle you have to figure out using some training. Now we're going to run this thing, and this pulley is going to help us record the velocity data. So I'm going to do that really quick. I'll show you the data in just a second. Let me make sure it's on. That's all right. I still have my last one up, but I'll explain that in a minute. Let me do this first. Okay, here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Alright, and so what I did here was I recorded that velocity data. I'm just going to grab the first 20 data points or so. I'm just copying that. I'm going to stick it in here. This is the old data, that's not yours. This is your data, sorry about that. And so what is this data? Here we have the time in seconds, and this is the velocity in meters per second, and this is the trend line. So from this information, hopefully you can get an experimental value of the acceleration, and then you can compare that to the theoretical value. That's it.